children. The shaman told the couple to give him a doll. The couple gave the shaman a doll that had a mouth from ear to ear. After they gave him the doll, the shaman put it in the woman's stomach. In those days there were no doctors, but the shaman were even more stronger than the doctors today. A few months later, the woman was pregnant. Before the baby was born, the shaman gave the woman a warning. Don't be ashamed of your baby even though it has a big mouth from ear to ear. When the baby was born, the woman was ashamed of her baby and did not show it to anyone, not even the father. She hid the baby in a grass pit so no one would see her child. One night while the wife was asleep, the curious father went to peek at the baby. He saw the baby's face had a big mouth that reached his ear just like the doll.
My poor baby's house.
The wife woke up and scolded her husband for peeking in the baby.
Hey, don't look at the baby. Don't tell anyone it has a mouth from ear to ear.
They continued their baby a secret until one night when the in-law woke up to a crunching sound. The mother-in-law went to check and saw the baby had eaten the mother. Gotcha, let's get out of here. The people packed up and left right away. Akaguagaanka was crawling around the village, climbing onto the Qayak. Akaguagaanka was crawling around the village, climbing onto the Qayak. The baby crawled through the smoke holes into the Qayak and out the doors. One lady forgot her ulok and went back to get it herself because no one would help her. When she went into her house, she grabbed her ulok by what that was by her bed. From there, she heard the baby cry. Akaguagaanka chased after the woman. Akaguagaanka, I ate my mother. The baby cried over and over. The woman ran right away. As she ran, she came upon a herd of caribou. She stopped to rest. As she rested, she heard, "I ate my mother." The baby got distracted and started crawling toward the caribou, saying, "I ate my mother." The baby would take down the caribou by the neck just by biting them to make them fall. The people kept running until they Evening, kids were having so much fun playing outside, they pretended not to hear their parents when they called them to come and settle in for the night.
Kids coming, it's time for bed.
Let's go play over there. The kids kept playing and going farther and farther away from the village. The children started to smell a breath and hear big footsteps. Hey, do you smell that? What is that? Smells bad, and footsteps are shaking the earth. Sure enough, it was Akaguagaanka, the hungry giant, and he was looking for children to eat. Akaguagaanka grabbed the children and carried them to a place to eat. While he was about to eat the children, he realized that he forgot his knife. So Akaguagaanka took off his pants and made a bag to put the kids in while he went back to get his knife. He hung the kids high up on a tall tree. While he was getting his knife, the kids heard a chickadee. And called it to come and help them.
Chickadee, come help us. We're stuck in the tree. Akaguagaanka is trying to eat us.
The chickadee untied the pants from the tree and freed the children. Before the children ran away, they stuffed the giant's pants with rocks, sticks, and grass, and the chickadee hung the pants back up. The kids ran away till they came to the river. A crane was on the other side of the river, and the kids called to the crane to help save them.
Crane, help us cross the river. Stretch out your long legs and make a bridge. Hurry, Akaguagaanka is coming.
Crane made a bridge with his long legs so they could cross. The kids crossed the river on Crane's long legs.
Yay! Thank you, Crane, for saving us.
At that time, Akaguagaanka came back to his pants with his knife ready to eat. All the giant found was rocks, sticks, and grass. Akaguagaanka was angry. He chased after the children. When the giant came to the river, he yelled at Crane to make a bridge for him to cross over and catch the kids.
Crane put his long legs out and Akaguagaanka started crossing the river till he reached the middle and Crane put his legs back. That's when Akaguagaanka drowned in the river and drifted out to the ocean. Crane flew the children back home to their parents, and the kids always came home when their parents called for them. That ends.
Recording.
Once there was a man who paddled his kayak out to the sea to hunt walrus. He stopped on a big ice pond, pulled his kayak halfway up and lay down for a lookout. Oh no! His kayak had disappeared. It had slipped from the ice and was drifting far out in the ocean. He would die a painful death on this ice pond. "Dai, come here," he called out in despair. And really, the kayak had turned around and came like an obedient dog. That day